It's interesting. The businesses need to change because the customers certainly are, aren't they?
And they've been changing for a while. The mindful one I haven't seen yet was we already saw this change pre-COVID. 27% of workshop customers preferred to deal with the business digitally. And I can only imagine since COVID and we've all been locked away, that's changed significantly. There's been huge boom in digital industry, and I can't imagine that automotive would be any different.
So what would be some of the changes coming for the future?
Things like just parts aren't a solution for customer. I'm not looking to get my brake pads changed. My brakes are making a noise and I want them serviced. And so the way that a customer engages is going to adapt. It's going to turn to more solution options and engines like Mechanic.com.au service booking. That tool runs on this same data. And so if you don't have confidence and you're not using tools that look up parts and this information now, then it becomes harder when these tools start becoming really mainstream for your workshop and your business to have trust in those, because they're talking to the customer with that same information on your behalf.
Yeah.